Let's start learning.
Hello there and welcome to Mr. Tom Teaches Again. Today we'll learn how to make multiplying larger numbers easier by using estimation. Estimation helps us get close to the answer quickly, even if we're not sure the exact answer yet. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what estimation means. Estimation is when we try to find an answer that's close enough, but not exact. It's like making a smart guess. We use estimation when we want to solve a number sentence quickly, or when we don't need the exact number. For example, if you want to know about how many people are in the cafeteria, you don't need to count every single person. You can estimate and say, there are around 100 people. If we see the word around in a word problem, that's a clue that we're being asked to estimate. Let's say you have a multiplication problem like 28 times 6. Sometimes we don't need the exact answer right away, or the numbers are too large to multiply quickly in our heads. That's when estimation comes in handy. It helps us check if our answer makes sense and can help us solve problems faster. Here are the basic steps for estimating products in multiplication. Step 1. Look at the numbers you need to multiply. Let's use 28 times 6 as an example. Our numbers are 28 and 6. Step 2. Round the numbers to ones that are easier to work with. We round 28 up to 30. 28 is closer to 30 than to 20. 30 is easier to multiply than 28. We can keep 6 because it's already easy to work with. Step 3. Multiply the rounded numbers. So 30 times 6 equals 180. Step 4. Compare your estimate to the real answer. Now let's solve the real problem. 28 times 6 equals what? 6 times 8 equals 48. Bring down our 8 ones, regroup our 4 tens. 6 times 2 tens is 12 tens, plus 4 is 16 tens. Bring down the 16. 28 times 6 equals 168. Our estimate is 180 and the real answer is 168. That's pretty close. Estimation helped us get a ballpark answer quickly. Let's talk about rounding. Rounding is when you make a number easier to work with, but close to the real number. Here are some tips for rounding numbers in multiplication. If the number ends in 1, 2, 3, or 4, round down to the nearest 10. If the number ends in 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, round up to the nearest 10. If we're rounding hundreds, check the tens and round up or down to the nearest hundred. If we're rounding to the thousands, check the hundreds and round up or down to the nearest thousand. Here's some examples. 42 rounds to 40, 370 rounds to 400, 2,500 rounds to 3,000, 140 rounds to 100. Great work paying attention. Let's practice what we've learned. Solve the multiplication problem, 42 times 8, using estimation. Pause the video if you need to. Alright, let's try it. Round 42 to 40. 40 times 8 equals 320. Check the actual answer. 8 times 2 equals 16. Bring down 6 ones and regroup 110. 8 times 4 equals 32. Plus 1 equals 33. The real answer is 336. Our estimate is close. Example 2. 19 times 5. Round 19 to 20. 20 times 5 equals 100. Check the actual answer. 5 times 9 equals 45. Bring down 5 ones, regroup 4 tens. 5 times 1 equals 5, plus 4 equals 9. The real answer is 95. Once again, our estimate is close. Example 3. Solve 87 times 7 using estimation. Round 87 to 90. 90 times 7 equals 630. Check the actual answer. 7 times 7 equals 49. Bring down the 9 and regroup 4 tens. 7 times 8 equals 56, plus 4 equals 60. The real answer is 609. Once again, our estimate is close. Here's some tips and tricks for estimation. If both numbers are close to a friendly number like 10, 20, 30, 50, 100, round both numbers. If only one number is tricky, just round that one. Use estimation to check your work after you multiply the real numbers. And estimation is great for mental math.
Let's review.
Let's review what we've learned. Estimation is making a smart guess close to the actual answer. We round numbers to make multiplication easier. We multiply the rounded numbers to get an estimate. Check the actual answer. We use estimation whenever we need a quick answer or want to check our work. Nice work, everyone. Parents, teachers, and homework helpers, please be sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications. A like will really help the channel, so please give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for being here today. I look forward to seeing you again. Take care and remember, it never hurts to be nice.